Hi everyone! Today we're going to be doing another unboxing video, and this time it's of a light box that I ordered on Amazon, and this is how it came in. So I'm going to open this and then we're going to set up the light box here so I can use it for future Instagram posts as well as Instagram lives and YouTube videos. So I'm just going to cut this open. Here it is. Cutest mini light box, LED cinema light box. So let's see how this works. So here are the letters. Here's what it looks like without the letters. And the letters are like this. So let's see what they look like. Okay, so they're plastic. And they're like transparent. They're not sticky. So they look like this. Let's try putting in our first message. So you have to like peel them and stuff. Let's put in Sam in New York. So S. Put in S here. Here it is, guys. I finally set it up. So let's turn it on. So this is what it looks like. Isn't it cool? So every time there's going to be an Instagram live, I'm going to be changing up the message.